In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make up to 95% profit on all of your sales in a particular method that will allow you to do this in 65% in one way and another 30% in another way, and make a total of 95% profit to you in your sales. And this site is it's on one site, and there's two ways to make money with this. So if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, like 95% profit, or you want to stick around and see this whole video. And we're about to get started on it here right now. But first, as you guys know, I usually do, those of you that are subscribers on my channel, I want to welcome all my new subscribers, or hopefully new subscribers here that have come to my videos. If you're new, and my name is Kevin Lehner here with the Freedom Motivator channel. And if this is your first time here to the videos, well, do like so many others have done. Reach down there below your video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel for you guys, because I'm always trying to come out with ways to help bring more time and financial freedom into your life. That's my passion on this channel for you guys. And this video is going to be no different. It's going to show you an excellent way that you can make up to 95% profit in sales that you can do on your own. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on this, guys, here right now. The site that we want to come to here first is this site right here. It's called TemplateMonster. You see it right up here in the address bar right here, guys. It's called TemplateMonster.com. You see it right there. And this site, guys, what it is, it's a website, templates, plugins, and graphics digital marketplace here, guys, where people can come and buy all kinds of different designs. So if you like to design, there are lots of ways that you can make money on this particular site. But I'm going to show you one way today. And by the way, guys, this is all 100% free to do, and it can be done from anywhere in the world, okay? This site right here is a really good site. In fact, let's take a look at the traffic on this site, guys. If I click on my similar web and bring it out right here, and I scroll up, you can see that this site gets monthly visits of 1.4 million people that come to this site every month looking to purchase templates, website templates and plugins and graphic templates and stuff in this particular marketplace. And you can see they have WordPress, Shopify, HTML, e-commerce, PrestaShop, PowerPoint, Joomla, and so on and so forth. And some of the different things that are trending down here, you can see right here on this site. And these are all templates that people use in many different ways. And then if we come up here and we click on this button right here where you see my mouse is, guys, it's all the products right here. You can see they have website templates. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you just one way here on this site that you can make money with this. But as you can see, there are many other ways here to make money on this site with the different types of templates that you see right here. You can create them, and I'm going to show you one site that you can use to create pretty much any and everything that you see on this site right here, and it's all 100% free to use as well. So stick around, and don't forget, stick around. I'm going to show you how, again, later in the video here, I'm going to show you how you can make the other 30%. What I'm showing you here now about selling your templates that you create on this site, that's 65% profit that you get off of each one of those, okay? So stick around. I'm going to show you the other 30 here in just a little bit. So you can have all kinds. They got presentation templates right here, guys, graphics templates and stuff, plugins, 3D models, video templates, audio templates, and different service templates, and so on and so forth, and then recommended hosting here. So the one I'm going to show you with is right here. It's called under the graphics right here, and you come over here, you can see right here under templates right here, guys, you see it says resume templates right here. So if I click on that, and you can see that there are people here that are selling their templates right here that they made in resumes. These are simple resume templates that were created by them. And look, this guy's here, this guy Gary L here is selling his template, this one right here, for $10. And he's had 366 sales, guys. So, I mean, you know, you can do the math. 366. Now, that's all the people that have left comments right here. It could be maybe more than that, but we know 366. Multiply that by 10, and you get about $3,660 is what he's made with this resume right here. And that's just one resume, guys. You're going to be able to put up all kinds of different resume templates. In fact, this method is a volume method. In other words, the more you put up on this site, the more opportunity you're going to have to make money with this, okay? And as you can see down through here, there are many other people selling these resumes for like $10, $18, $18, $17, $10, $13. I mean, you can just price yours whatever you want. Once I show you how to create these templates, and you're going to upload them to this site. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on where you see my mouse is right here. Start selling right here. So if we click on that, it says right here, it says become an author and sell on TemplateMonster. If we come over here and we click on become an author, and that opens this up right here. And what you want to do is you want to fill out this form right here, and make sure you don't click on client. You're not going to be a client. We're going to be authors. We're going to sell on this site, right? And now you can fill out the local account information right here, guys, or you can simply sign up with your Facebook account or your Google account right here. All right, so if I just go ahead, for example, and I sign in with my Google account to show you the back end of this, what this looks like. And when you get signed in, it brings you over here, and you want to click on dashboard right here. And then you can see right here that they want you to complete your profile right here, because guys, this is sort of a community type site. People get to know one another. Actually, that's pretty good for business. You want to get to know other people on this site and so on and so forth, and allow customers to get to know you as well. So I recommend filling out and completing your profile right here on this site as well. Then what we want to do is we want to come over here to like your products right here. If you click on that, and you click right here, add a new product or upload a new product. So if we want to add a new product, and it comes over here and it says select a product category. Of course, we're doing resumes, right? So we just type RESU, and you see it comes up with printable resume templates here, guys. And then you can click on next right here. And then it comes over here, and then this is where you would upload your template right here. You can see what it says upload here. You want to fill out this right here, give some information about your particular template. You know, give it a nickname, the product name, topic, and you can click and choose that. Guys, this is available all over the world. Like I said, you can do this from anywhere in the world, and they have lots of different categories that you can place your template in. Of course, you're going to be relevant. For example, if it's resume, you're going to probably put it in business and services, possibly right here, right? And then you want to give a good description about your particular template. And then you want to add some tags in right here, like it says. It gives you nice, clear directions on here on how to do that. And the tags will help people find your template, right? And then you want to upload your product files, whether it's a zip file or whatnot. And then your main image that you'll show to show your template. You want to have a picture of your template put up too. And then so on and so forth and down here. And promotional images if you have any right here. And then any other kind of attributes. You want to put graphics type, compatibility, and if any files included. And then so on and so forth, and just fill out down through here. Set your price for your template right here, and they're even recommended. So TemplateMonster recommended price is between $9 and $17 for this particular category right here. Each category or each product or template is going to be different than whatever you decide to do. Then just fill the rest of this out right here, and then just simply click on upload right here, guys, and that uploads it into the category that you chose on the marketplace, and you're set to begin making money with your resume templates. Now, I can hear you now, Kevin. I don't know how am I going to make a resume template. I don't know how to write a resume or nothing like that, or make even a template that people can use to write their own resume. Follow along with me here. I got you right here on this site right here, guys. You're going to come over here. This site right here, if you look over here, it's called Crello, guys. If you look up here in the address bar, it's Crello.com. Crello.com. This site right here is free to use. They do have a paid version of here. And if you click on pricing, you can see they have a starter package of $0, and you're allowed up to 5 designs every month. And the Pro, which isn't expensive at all, guys, is $7.99 a month, and you even get a free trial on this as well. And it's unlimited. It looks like pretty much everything as well there. And so then what you want to do is, for example, you can see this site's sort of similar, guys, to like Canva. Sort of similar to Canva, but I think this one actually is a little bit better than Canva myself. But you can see right here that there's all kinds of templates. I mean, we can click right here. If I click on templates right here, guys, up here at the top, and I simply right here in their search engine type resume and press enter, you can see that it comes up with all of these resume templates here, guys, that you can use. You don't have to be a designer. You don't have to have any skills. You can just simply use these templates right here and just, make them or design them however you want. Now let's see how easy it is to work with these. So let's just say, for example, if I choose this one, right? I mean, there's all kinds of them, guys. There's hundreds of them here, guys. And you can just pick from any one you want and create your own designed template right here. So let's just pick this one, for example, to show you how this works. And it says, okay, yeah, we like this. We're going to go ahead and use this template. Click on that. And guys, you can see that it loads up this template right here in the editor. And guys, this is easy to work with. This is all drag and drop. You can see that all of this can be moved around. I mean, this stuff can be moved around and set anywhere. All of these, I mean, it's just, you can easily design your own. And the tools are over here. There's other, if you're not happy with this template, drag and drop one up from over here because they're over here as well. And then you've got pictures that you can use, videos. You can even put videos on there, and music. You can add that, and animations even, objects, background right here, guys. Text, you can just simple enough to drag and drop your text right there, and then it'll just be there, and then you can edit it. I mean, just double click on it and edit it to whatever you want. And if you don't like it, come up here, click the delete trash can there, and it takes it off. Guys, it's just that easy to design your resume templates right here on Crello. And once you're done and you got it the way you want it, you just come up here, click on download right here, guys. Download the finished product to your computer, and then you just come back over here well, I missed it, but come back over here to TemplateMonster and upload it on your account, and there you go. It's that simple. You put your price on it and fill out the form and get it uploaded on here, and you're in the marketplace in possession to make 65% of every sale that you make right there. Guys, that's how you make money one way on this site. Now let's have a look at the other way right here. So if we come back over here to where it says become an author, when we clicked on that, after we filled out and clicked on become an author, is where we filled out our form to sign up, right? But if we scroll right down here, guys, and it tells you more about, how easy it is and to work on this site. And this site actually has been around since 2002, guys. It's been around a long time, so it's a good site, and it's got some good reputation. The other way is right here. Look here, guys, where my mouse is, right above me here. They have an affiliate program here, guys. And look right here what it says. It says authors who will self-promote their graphics products as affiliate partners get 2 types of commissions. 30% as an affiliate and 65% as being an author and selling your templates, right? Overall, you will get a 95% profit from your sales. And guys, what you want to do also is you want to come to this page and scroll all the way down. Come over here underneath where it says company. Come down here where it says affiliate program right here, guys, and click on that. Click on affiliate program. It brings you over to this, and you can join the TemplateMonster affiliate program. Everybody is allowed to join, and you'll get 30% more on every sale that you get from marketing your affiliate program here, as well as the 65% when you upload your templates that you create on Crello here, all for free. Guys, that is how you make 95% profit on this particular method right here. If you like this method and you like the idea of designing your own templates, or for that matter, it can be whatever product on here you want. As you see, there are all kinds of categories that you can create designs for and templates for. Guys, if you like that method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. That's the method I had for you today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click that notification bell, leave any comments that you may have about this video down below. Tell me the country that you saw this from, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my free video presentation, it'll show you the formula on how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, where you can make $1,000 in one day's possibility or more possibility. You want to click down there below in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and come through my funnel and see what's available there for you. It'll show you how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting today. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making method. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.